Hello friends, welcome to Java Programming Video Tutorials series. In the previous video tutorial, we started discussing characters and strings in Java. In the previous video tutorial, we understood characters in Java. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss strings in Java. We will have brief introduction to strings in Java, guys. We understand how do we work with strings in Java. What is a string? A sequence of characters enclosed in between pair of double quotations is considered as a string in Java. Sequence of characters enclosed in between pair of double quotations is considered as a string in Java, guys. Syntax for declaring and initializing a string type variable is, we write string, then we write the variable name equal to, in between pair of double quotations we write sequence of characters, then we say semicolon. As I told, sequence of characters enclosed in between pair of double quotations is considered as a string in Java, guys. For example, I am saying here string space variable name my name equal to, in between pair of double quotations I have written Manjunath space Chidre, then semicolon. Let's go to NetBeans. Inside the main method I say string space I say my name equal to, in between pair of double quotations I say Manjunath space Chidre, then semicolon. That is how we declare and initialize a string type variable, guys. What happens when this statement is executed? When this statement is executed, computer goes to its memory. It allocates a memory block of size 32 bytes. Why it allocates a memory block of size 32 bytes only? Because in the given string we have 16 characters, guys. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 characters we have. Space is also considered as one character. We know that in Java, char is of 2 bytes. So 16 into 2 is equal to 32 bytes. And this allocated memory block is going to contain 16 memory locations. Each memory location holds the single character, guys. And each memory location is going to have an index. First memory location is going to have the index 0. Next memory location is going to have the index 1. Next memory location is going to have the index 2. And so on. Last memory location is going to have the index 15. 0 to 15, total 16 memory locations, guys. Remember that first memory location is going to have the index 0. Let's assume beginning address of this allocated memory block is #2. Computer allocates one more memory location for my name variable. Inside that memory location, it puts the beginning address of the memory block, that is #2. Once we store address inside a variable, it starts pointing to that memory location or the memory block. My name points to the memory block which has the address #2, guys. And remember that a variable which holds address of another memory location is called as a reference variable, guys. We can display the value at my name variable is pointing. I go to NetBeans. Here I say system.out.println. In double quotations I say my name equal to plus I write the variable name my name. When this statement is executed, we will see my name equal to Manjunath space Chidre displayed. If I say run project, you can see that in the output window my name equal to Manjunath space Chidre displayed. We can not only display the complete string, we can also access each character in the given string, guys. To access each character, we take help of the variable name and we take help of the index of the memory location, guys. Let's see how do we access each character. I say here system.out.println. Here I write the variable name my name dot. If I put dot, we are going to get set of methods and properties that we can use with that variable, guys. There is a charAt method. charAt method returns the char value at the specified index. It is telling that charAt method returns the character value at the specified index, guys. If I give here index 0, it returns the character m, guys, because at the index 0 we have M character, right? Capital letter M. So we are telling to my name get the character at the memory location which has the index 0 guys. If I say run project, you can see that it has displayed capital letter M in the output window. I am going to copy this line of code and paste down. If I say here charAt 1, I am telling my name get the character at the memory location whose index is 1. Here this memory location has the index 1 and the character is lowercase a. It displays here lowercase a. If I say run project, you can see that lowercase a is displayed. That is how we can access each character in the given string guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. We can display the length of the given string using this my name variable. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. If I say here my name dot, we have a function called as length. It returns the length of this string. It returns total number of characters available in the given string. Definitely we will see here 16 displayed. If I say run project, you can see that 16 is displayed. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. I say my name dot, we have a function called as indexOf. IndexOf function returns the index. It returns the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified substring. It returns the index of first occurrence of the specified substring guys. Here in double quotations, I say capital letter M. Of course, the index of the capital letter M is 0, right? It is 0 guys. I'm telling to my name, you have to search in the given string, return the index of first occurrence of the capital letter M. Of course, it is 0. If I say run project, you can see that it has displayed 0 guys. I'm going to copy and paste the code. Here I say index of A. My name, search from left to right in the string and return the index of first occurrence of the lowercase a. Index of first occurrence of lowercase a is 1 guys. If I say run project, you can see that it has displayed 1. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. I say index of first occurrence of lowercase n 0, 1, 2. It is 2 guys. If I say run project, you can see that it has displayed 2. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. We also have last index of. Last index of function returns the index within this string of the last occurrence of the specified substring guys. I'm telling to my name, you have to search the string from left to right and return the index of last occurrence of the lowercase n. The index of last occurrence of the lowercase n. Here we have the last n guys, right? And its index is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will get here 5 displayed. If I say run project, you can see that 5 is displayed. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. Here I say a. Return the index of last occurrence of lowercase a. Here we have the last a, right? From left side if you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the index of last occurrence of the lowercase a guys. If I say run project, you can see that 6 is displayed. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. I say my name dot to lowercase. So there is a function called as lowercase or a method called as lowercase. It converts all of the characters in this string to lowercase. I hit enter. It is going to return a string which contains all characters converted to lowercase. Here M will be written in lowercase, C will be written in lowercase. If I say build and run, you can see that Manjunath Chidres is displayed where M is in lowercase and C is in lowercase. All characters are converted to lowercase. So if you want to convert all characters in the given string to lowercase, you will be using two lowercase method guys. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. We have two uppercase method, guys. We have two uppercase. It converts all characters in this string to uppercase, guys. So definitely we will see here all characters displayed in uppercase. MANJUNATH space Chidre. If I say run project, you can see that Manjunath Chidre is displayed where all characters are converted to uppercase. Understanding? I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. I say my name dot. There is a function called as starts with, guys. There is a function called as starts with. It tests if the string starts with the specified prefix. Okay, it tests whether our string starts with the given string, guys. I say here MANJUNATH. It returns true or false. Our string Manjunath space Chidre starts with the Manjunath, right? Definitely it returns here true. If I say run project, you can see that it has returned true. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. Here I say my name starts with Chidre. Of course, my name not starts with Chidre. It starts with Manjunath. So definitely it returns here false. If I say run project, you can see that it has written false, guys. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. We have ends with also. Dot ends with function. Here I say Chidre. Of course, our string Manjunath space Chidre ends with Chidre. Definitely it returns here true. If I say run project, you can see that it has displayed true here. So always use the documentation while coding, guys. Documentation helps you do lot of things easily. It gives you complete information about the method how you can use. You can see that ends with is asking for a string. So I have given a string. It is going to return a boolean value true or false, right? I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. We have a function or a method called as contains. Contains. Whether my name contains Chidre. Of course, my name contains Chidre, it returns true. I say run project. You can see that it has displayed true, guys. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. Next we have equals function or equals method. Here I say MANJUNATH space Chidre. My name equals Manjunath Chidre. If you carefully observe or read the documentation, it indicates whether some other object is equal to this one, right? Whether Manjunath space Chidre, that is our string, is equal to Manjunath space Chidre. Of course they are equal. Definitely we'll see true. If I say run project, you can see that it has written true, guys. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. If I write here lowercase m and lowercase c, it returns false, guys, because by default equals is a case sensitive method. It not only checks for characters match, it also checks for case match, guys. Whether you have written capital letter M and capital letter C and other characters in lowercase. If not, it returns false. If I say run project, you can see that it has written false. Whereas here it is returning true because here characters also match, case also match, right? If you want to ignore the case, then we have another method, guys. I paste here. We have equals ignore case method. Equals ignore case. What this method does, it only checks for the characters match, not the case match. It will not look for uppercase, lowercase characters. It only looks for the characters match. So definitely it returns here true. If I say run project, you can see that true is displayed. I say here system.out.println. I say my name dot. We have a method called as substring method, guys. Always read the documentation. Returns a string. It returns a string that is a substring of this string. The substring begins with the character at the specified index. The substring begins with the character at the specified index and extends to the end of this string, guys. So if I say here substring 0, my name get the substring from the index 0 to the end. So what happens in this case? It displays complete Manjunath Chidre, guys. If I say run project, you can see that complete Manjunath Chidre is displayed. If I have to display only Chidre, so I have to give here index of the C character. So index of the C character is 10. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. Here I give 10. My name return the substring from the index 10 to the end. Definitely it displays here only Chidre, guys. If I say run project, you can see that only Chidre is displayed. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. If you carefully observe, we have overloaded substring. We have two substring methods here. One takes the beginning index, another one takes the beginning index and the ending index. I hit enter. I am giving here beginning index 0 and I am going to give the ending index 9, guys. So beginning index 0 and the ending index 9. It returns Manjunath, guys. Understanding? Ending index should be always, you have to give ending index plus 1, guys. Understanding? So if I say run project, definitely we will see only Manjunath displayed. If I say run project, you can see that Manjunath is displayed. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. This time I want to access Chidre using this substring method, the overloaded substring method. I give the starting index 10. Okay, I give the starting index 10 and the ending index I have to give 15 plus 1, guys. I have to give here 16. Understanding? Then I get here Chidre displayed. If I say run project, you can see that Chidre is displayed. I think for this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly, try this code yourself, experiment with more examples. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about Java. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.